In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Smartsheet Error Code 18 step by step. If you're seeing Error Code 18 when trying to edit a sheet, update a row, or make changes to your data, don't worry. This is usually caused by permission issues, locked fields, formulas, or automation conflicts. I'll walk you through each possible fix so you can get back to work quickly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Smartsheet troubleshooting guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need to check is your permission level. Smartsheet Error Code 18 commonly appears when you don't have the correct access to edit the sheet. Open the sheet where the error is happening, then click on the Share button in the top right corner. Look at your permission level. If you are listed as a viewer or commenter, you won't be able to make edits. You need editor access or higher. If you don't have it, contact the sheet owner or admin and ask them to upgrade your permissions. Once your access is updated, refresh the sheet and try again. Next, look for locked rows or locked columns. Even if you have editor access, specific rows or columns can still be locked. In Smartsheet, locked rows usually have a lock icon next to the row number. Locked columns can also restrict editing. If you see a lock symbol, that means editing is restricted. If you're an admin or owner, you can right-click the row or column and choose Unlock. If you're not, you'll need to ask the sheet owner to unlock it for you. Now let's check for system or formula columns. Smartsheet has certain columns that cannot be edited manually. For example, auto number columns, created date columns, modified date columns, and formula columns are controlled automatically by Smartsheet. If you try to type into these columns, you may trigger Error Code 18. Click on the column header and check the column properties. If it says auto number, created date, or contains a formula, you won't be able to edit it directly. Instead, adjust the formula or change the column settings if you have admin rights. The fourth thing to review is automation rules. Automation workflows can lock rows, move rows, or update fields automatically based on triggers. If an automation is actively managing that row or column, it may block manual edits. Click on Automation in the top menu and review any active workflows. Look for rules that lock rows or restrict changes. If necessary, temporarily disable the automation, make your edits, and then re-enable it. Next, verify that the data you're entering is valid. Smartsheet columns can have strict validation rules, such as drop-down lists, contact lists, date formats, or number-only fields. If you try to enter text into a number column or type a value that isn't in a restricted drop-down list, you may see an error. Double-check the column type by right-clicking the column header and selecting Edit Column Properties. Make sure the data you're entering matches the required format. Finally, refresh and try again. Sometimes Error Code 18 can be caused by a temporary session issue or browser glitch. Refresh your browser, log out and back into Smartsheet, or try opening the sheet in an incognito window. You can also clear your browser cache if the problem persists. In many cases, a simple refresh resolves the issue. So, to quickly recap, check your permission level, look for locked rows or columns, avoid editing system or formula columns, review automation rules, verify your data format, and refresh your session. One of these steps will almost always fix Smartsheet Error Code 18. I hope this helped you resolve the issue quickly. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, fixes, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.